Hi friends, how's it going? This is Valerie here, your practical decorator helping you to make it home. In this video, my closet journey continues, and I am just taking you along, showing you what I'm taking out of my closet. And wow, look what I happened into! It's my wedding dress from 31 plus years ago. I'm sorry.
My dad bought my headpiece for me. It's over 31 years ago. Wow. 31 years ago. And I don't have a daughter to give it to. So I'm not sure where this is going to end up, but I'm holding on to it for now. But they won't be staying in the closet. I have to relocate them because it's way too small. I have to get some stuff out. This is a bag that had my shoes in it. Let's see what's in. Oh, I think I had the headpiece in this at one point, so I'll put it back in there. Oh, maybe I can give it to my daughter-in-law. Can't you tell? I like to hold on to treasures. These were my gloves. Let's see if this could still fit. Yeah, I can. Check this out. My hand hasn't grown. It can still fit. It's pretty cool. And this is the garter. Oh, and I think, yeah, this is my stockings that I wore. Had a little bow with some little beads. My mom made this dress. I think my sister helped a bit. But yeah, my mom. I was a designer. I said what I wanted and my mom made it happen. I think I'm gonna find somewhere in the laundry room to tuck this away. So let's just get it out the door. Now it's starting to look a little lighter. You see, I had promised myself I wasn't going to do a full all-out makeover. But I mean, if I'm going to go through the process of taking out all the clothes and everything, may as well just go ahead and do what I got to do. So that's exactly what I'll be doing. So I'm going to continue moving stuff out. I've come a long way. Come a very long way. Okay, I have come a long way. I have emptied the rails, and yeah, there is still quite a bit more to do in here, but I'll take on the challenge another day. Today I am stopping right here. I'm just going to share with you guys some of the systems that I have actually been picking up along the way to help with my closet makeover. So now you can see that white unit in the corner there. I picked this up at the garage sale and it was $5. Oh, there we go. And so it has these drawers, which is pretty cool. Right now I have my handbags in it, but I'm not so sure I'm going to keep my handbags in here. And here I have some scarves and some belts. I just put them here for holding right now because this whole unit will have to come out too. I am going to empty the whole space so I can get to paint and do everything I want to do. These boxes I picked up at the vintage store and they were $2 each. I have 3 of them here. These can store like my scarves or belts or any other small items that I have in the closet. However, my intention is here's another one I picked up. I actually saw them recently in IKEA, so I think it's an IKEA product, but I picked it up at the vintage shop and it was just about $4. So my idea for this is to hang my scarves so I can see them, but I have quite a bit of scarves because if you have noticed, that's my headdress of choice. And so whatever I can fit on this little unit here, I will put in my storage boxes. Yeah, so in the corner here, I have this unit, which I'm not sure if it's staying or it's going. We'll see what happens, because what I want to do, it may not work, but if I can source something else at an affordable cost, then I might just be keeping it. Let's see, because I want to do it on a budget. Okay, This unit behind me here, the chest of drawers, it is a bit big and dark for the space. So I'm not sure if it's gonna stay. I'll see what happens. If I can get something else with drawers, I'll definitely take it out. But I need drawers because all these drawers are full. For sure, when I go through them, I'll be tossing some things just like I did there. But yeah, I may want it out because I want the space to be light and airy. If you notice, I was throwing out a lot of different color hangers. One of the things that help your space to look more cohesive and to look more organized is to have your hangers talking to each other. And so my plan is I was going to throw these out, but these are pretty new. So I don't think I'm going to get rid of them. I'm going to reuse them along with white and black and translucent hangers. And because I know I'm going to use lots of white hangers because I'm throwing those out, I was in the Search vintage shop yesterday and I picked these hangers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 hangers in this. Maybe they meant to put 12, I don't know. But there are 11 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 11. And I got it for $1. So that's pretty good. Plus, I have lots of camisoles, which are sleeveless undershirts that I wear a lot. And so I picked up these little babies here. They have this gap on the shoulders that I can just hang the camisole through. I picked up about 2 dozen of them. So I'm arming myself with lots of hangers because I want to be able to hang as much as possible. I think that's about it for now. I need to get myself a little lighting fixture to go above. And yeah, I will be puttying and trimming and painting the space. We've been here for 8 years now. And yeah, we bought a fixer-upper, but it's about time my closet gets fixed. And so that's what I'm in the process of doing. So please follow me on that journey. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. Please like, share, comment, and if you have not yet subscribed, I'll give you a second. Go ahead and subscribe, please. Okay, thank you very much. Now remember to hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.